What is going on YouTube, man? And we are back with a banger video with a special guest in town, guys. His name is Mr. Goddammit, and he is here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, in town. And we just picked him up from the airport in the big Hellcats and SRT scat packs, all that, man. And we about to get straight to the action. Cook boy, say what's up to the channel, man.
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Y'all be sure to like, share, subscribe, man.
Like, share, subscribe, man. We got that boy 392 West. We got Omar out here. That boy Mr. Goddammit in Tulsa, man.
Yeah, man.
You ready to turn up, bro?
Oh yeah, for sure, I'm ready.
We about to get litty in the city, man. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel because we are about to go crazy. And as I always say, we are on the road to 2K subs. So we're gonna keep climbing and climb all the way till we get to the top, no cap. And we're gonna get straight to the action. Let's get it.
Yeah, they would like hold you for ransom.
Yeah, exactly.
It's terrible. You made it out alive, that's good.
Yeah, I heard that you just can't like walk around the streets over there. If you're a tourist or whatever, you gotta like get somebody that's from here.
Yeah, it's bad over there.
It's like a shot of movie?
Nah.
It ain't that bad? Yeah, we're waiting on two, but we can go ahead and order them. Sure. You know what I'm saying? We got one of the best, I would say, Italian places in Tulsa. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to check out some food. He about to order some calamari, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's just hard.
You don't lose it.
What is it called?
No, I don't remember. I just. You guys are crazy.
She had to hit the chicken stir fry dance because I ordered the chicken Alfredo, you know what I'm saying?
So bro, in the whole process of us taking up some doors, bro, this is gonna make it go viral. You gotta report the whole behind the scenes shit, like everything that's going on.
We taking off the door.
All that shit. Okay. That shit is
Guys, I'll
crazy.
get that damn money.
It's gonna go crazy.
Promise.
Actually, we're gonna need just two.
You low-key just told them the surprise that I was supposed to be. You low-key just ruined it, though.
I mean, we could, you know what I mean? We could mix it up.
Okay. So y'all already heard what we about to be doing now. So yeah, we're gonna be taking off the doors off the TRX and doing a highway pool with the TRX.
Ooh. You have the shrimp.
Oh, that's mine, huh? What is that?
Chicken and shrimp.
I don't know about that.
This is
I don't
shrimp.
think that's mine.
Yeah, it is.
This is
Yeah,
mine
this
right
is
here.
blackened chicken and shrimp. I think this one.
This one right here?
Yeah,
I'm about to say. Thank you very much.
And then fettuccine.
You know what I'm saying? We gotta get the good food in before we make that good content. You know what I'm saying? What did you get, Keywan? What is that? What's that red stuff on there?
That ain't mine.
That ain't yours?
That ain't mine. You keep calling me Keywan.
Look, that boy over there going crazy.
Oh, for sure, bro.
Hot right there.
Thank
You got that boy right there. What you get, Omar?
I had a cheese pizza.
You got cheese pizza?
Yeah. Yo, check that sausage and peppers out. How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
Sound like a fucking New Yorker.
All right, y'all. So we gonna eat this food, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get over here to my buddy's house, and we start the process of the new project that I'm telling you guys about, which is about to go crazy. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get over there. Let's get it. All right, so y'all, we are over here at my buddy's house now, and you see we got the cars, and we got the TRX in the back. And now we're about to start the process of taking off the doors and the hood on the TRX, because as y'all seen, the Chrysler 300, man, that Detroit did, literally went crazy on the tube, man. So we are about to take off the TRX doors and the hood. So let's get to it. Here we go. We're getting the hood off. TRX no hood?
Yes, sir. TRX no hood, no doors.
TRX no hood, no doors?
You know what's
gonna be crazy,
Just
man.
take off the bed.
Take off the bed too? You wanna take off the bed?
No, we not doing that.
You gonna do all that?
Might as well take off the wheels and put some Hellcat wheels too.
Yeah, might as well. Imagine.
Hellcat wheels?
Hellcat wheels on the TRX.
I know.
It was born that way.
Yeah. Well, man, how you think this is about to go?
It's gonna go smooth.
What if you fly out the car?
These two, bro.
I fly out. I got life insurance.
All right. Your life insurance?
All right.
Got you. How you feel about it, man? Is it like a love-hate situation right now?
It's my baby.
So,
This
that
is the
being
owner
said,
of the
hey, it's gonna be
TRX,
all
man.
good.
Yeah, it's gonna be all good. It's gonna go crazy on the
We're
tube.
professionals, you know what I mean? Professional Hellcat drivers, you know what I mean?
How long you been working on
That's not me
Hellcat?
though.
You said that's not you?
That's not me. Professional Ford Mustang.
We ain't gonna
driver
tell them. We ain't gonna
You
tell
got
them
it
what
on
you
Mars,
got.
sliding.
He can't get that. There you go. Yeah, don't. Yeah.
So come to find out, car can't, the truck can't start without the car plugs. You know what I mean? You have to start the truck and take the doors off. Holy fucking shit, boys.
I'm hoping that's not the fact with the hood.
Yeah. Maybe we should have tested that theory though.
Probably. I was just thinking about
Hey,
that.
someone hold the front of the hood.
Yeah.
Braden's got it.
Gotcha. But yeah, man, as y'all see it, we got the 101 Hellcat posted up, looking sexy and clean for the show tomorrow. Then we got the Scatty Pack right there, the wide body Scat. Whole lot of Hellcat Mopar action going on right now. Big TRX in the back.
You got that side, Braden?
Yeah.
Wesley, put your hand up there.
It's coming up. Got it. All right, there you go. Boom.
We're going watch the top.
And we got the hood off, baby.
We gonna just put it in the grass.
Yes, sirski.
Yes, sir. So there you have it, boys.
Oh my God.
These in the same place.
No bouncy on the hood.
No bouncy on the hood, man. Got the hood off, as y'all see it. That's the TRX hood off the truck, man. Now we gotta take them doors off. Pull the TRX out.
Huh?
So they pulled it outside.
What you mean?
We pulled it outside.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure we did. They got some suckers over here. You know what I mean? We'll get this too.
Now you got a sweet tooth. Tell them what's going on, man. What we doing?
Take the doors off, man.
Taking the doors off the Hellcat. The Hellcat truck. Yes, sirski. Tell them what's going on, bro.
Hell yeah, we got the hood, about to get the doors off on the TRX.
Yeah. Where we at right now, though?
Right, we in Broken Arrow, you already know what it is.
Where we really at, though?
Mopar City.
We in Mopar City.
We really in Tulsa. Y'all, come on,
We
man.
in Broken Arrow. What you mean?
I know, we really, this video is based in Tulsa, though.
Bet, based in Tulsa.
It's
We in
based
Tulsa.
We in Tulsa with it right now. Yes, sirski. Y'all see it, man.
Wes.
Got the badge right there, TRX. 700 horsepower truck. That's insane, ain't it? That's insane.
You like kid and play off of a playhouse.
Don't start this, bro. Don't start. Let me vibe, bro. Let me vibe, man.
Yeah, you do got a clean ass boozy like you from the back of the day or something.
Yeah. I'll take it. I'll take it.
All right, y'all want to hold the door with me real quick?
Hey, Braden, open that door.
Yes, Husky?
Just one door.
Oh, no. As y'all see, we got the door off. Now we got 3 more to go. Oh, what if somebody fall out the truck?
You gotta go.
You gotta go.
It's your time.
Should be wearing your seatbelt.
Come on.
Yeah. But yeah, y'all. We got 3 more doors to take off. And then we about to get straight to the action, man. Door number 3 in the process of being taken
Call
out.
the police.
And I like that hat, man. I wonder where you got that from.
Who said they gonna call the police?
Say something about some police?
I said I just seen the police drive by slow.
Oh, who cares?
He might double back on us.
Mopar heaven right here. Hey, you motherfucker! I'm holding the door. Fuck.
When are y'all? You got it? Don't let go of it.
You sure you know what you're doing, bro?
Do I? I just took off a whole door, nigga. What you talking about? Hear this guy?
Yeah, this is the last door though, y'all. We got 1 more door, then it's over with. Man. We on the highway with it.
You guys got it? Door number 4.
Watch out!
Hey, don't do that.
Did you put a gun somewhere?
Here. The what?
I got it. Okay.
Here. Do you want to take this lead?
Right here? What's wrong?
Because I don't know where to put the.
Okay, come on, Braden.
I don't know where we're supposed to put it at.
This one's a little heavy.
If you got little arms, just say that. If you can't hold the
If I got
door,
little arms, then I
You
got little arms.
just
But I'm
say
just
that.
saying, I don't know where to put the door at.
Okay. Get in there and sit so I can take a picture of you. But yeah, y'all, we got the doors off of the TRX now, and she is all ready to go.
Yeah, we here. That's how we do it, baby.
guys, so we just made it back to the house after we did the video, and I gotta say that it literally was crazy, man.
Sticker flower.
Oh, if I had a towel right now.
That stays on there? That sticker stronger than most relationships.
Damn.
But yeah, y'all, now we are about to put the doors back on. Omar, how did it look from the outside, bro?
I'm not gonna lie, it was wild.
It was wild?
It was wild.
You hear him, don't it? Cutting up. But you said it looked wild though,
It
bro?
was wild as fuck.
Yeah?
Bro, his arms kept getting in my way, bro. When I was trying to drive.
Yeah.
Your boy cutting up over there. Yeah.
Was hella people out there looking?
Yes.
It was?
Bro, that truck almost hit us.
Bro, the white one?
Yeah.
I know, bro.
Your boy getting busy.
You better chill out.
I heard some squealing.
Can you turn this or no?
Yeah, I can turn it.
Hey, you got
okay.
serious real quick.
Just like
You
that.
better chill out. You got that in my face.
Okay.
It's all on you now.
You know how they say they're pointing you out now because you're wrapped? They're gonna be looking for this blue truck all over.
I know. I know.
Well, how many blue TRXs is out there?
Not much.
Real?
Maybe
There's
3.
like one other that's this color. Only
Yeah.
one I've seen. Yeah.
Here, I've only seen
Try it,
one, too.
boys. We did what we had to do. He said he want to go tandem and shit.
You gonna tandem?
That's what you know how to drive.
Yeah, I know how to drive. Professional.
You know what I mean?
Professional?
Yeah.
We do a little something. Some brown.
That's mud.
Some brown.
But yeah, man, y'all see it, man. Y'all see we got the new merch out. And check out the back real quick. Check out the back real quick. The world is yours. To match the whip, you feel me? To match the whip. The shirt match the whip. The kicks match the brake calipers. The shorts match the wheels. The VVS is bussin'. Man. Quit playing. God, that car is so freaking loud, bro.
Stock.
Hell yeah.
That's stock exhaust.
That's stock
everything.
exhaust right
Stock
there.
everything.
And that thing is loud.
That shit, it wasn't one to get as loose as that 1320. You could tell it's like gripping on the
Yeah,
ground.
you can still tell.
Hey,
That's those
tires,
continentals.
bro.
That's those continentals.
Bro, it's your tires.
It's some tires.
They're doing their job.
See, I knew I wasn't tripping. I've swung this scat before so many times.
They're doing their job.
What happened, bro?
It just wasn't wanting to spin into it.
Was you sitting still when you did it?
Yeah, I did the same shit he did. I was young, and then I went into it, and it started feeling good, and then it acted like my traction kicked on, like it killed the power.
So my man wanted to drive the hellcat, you know what I'm saying? But I said he had to beat me in rock, paper, scissors, and I'll throw him the keys right now. Let's see if he got what it takes. Let's get it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Show me what you got. Okay, he beat me right there. Ready? Now I'm in his head. Rock, paper, scissors. Show me what you got. I'm in his head. Now I'm in his head. I already know what he about to pick though. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Show me what you got. Rock, paper, scissors. Show me what you got.
How you feel?
Hey, it is what it is.
I was playing along too. I was like, hey.
It is what it is.
Hey, they had us in the first half, but you know what I'm saying? We came back and we got right. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, and you guys see we are back at the crib now after a whole lot of fun with Mr. Goddammit in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I have to say that today was absolutely a banger. We took off the doors on the TRX, went crazy. Them boys went out there and burned up some tires. And man, that is the first day of the weekend. So we have a lot more content coming. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, we're gonna be making content all weekend. So watch all these videos. They're all gonna go together and follow along. Right now, we are at the crib. We're about to go downtown, show the man around, and have a little fun. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do it in Tulsa, man. Show the man a good time, bro. So
About to be a movie.
about to be a movie.
It is about to be a movie, so y'all better stay tuned. You know who we are. We in Oklahoma. Got the boys with us.
Show them the merch, man. Look how we rock.
We out here. Look. Hey, we out here, man. We out here.
That shit.
We out here.
So cop the merch, man, because the merch is going crazy. As y'all see, we flying off the shelves with the merch right now. All right. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because I always say we're gonna keep climbing and climbing all the way till we get to the top. No cap. No cap. No cap. Catch y'all on the next YouTube video. We out.
Yo, man, this shit is fire.